Assalamu alaikum. This is C programming course. This is lecture number 10. It talks about how we can use arrays in C programming. And as you see in the previous video, we finished solving the classworks or the lecture exercises. And in this video, we are recording a new video in order to solve an extra problems for more practice. So in this exercise, write a program in C to count, save, and print the duplicate elements in an array with size and elements have been given by user as shown in the example below. As you see, please enter number of elements. Say there are 6, element number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and as you see the message is there are 2 duplicate elements, they are 3 and 7. Now how we can do this? Before start solving the problem, let me do some analysis. As example, let us say that we have an array. We have an array A. This array, say that the name is A, with size, as you see in the example, the size is 6. The array elements, they are entered by user. Let me say that we have the array directly in the memory of the file. So I have this array. Okay, say the name of the array, it's A. Okay, we have 1, 2, let me make it just 4 as example. Let me say that we have 3, 3, 1, 2. Okay, and we need another copy of this array. Let me say that this is a copy, and I will show you in the programming how we can make a copy. So currently the a copy, it is like this, and we need the solution, the duplication or the duplicate elements. Say that it is S. I don't know the values, they are zeros now. Now what I should do, actually let me say that I have a counter I and J and K. For this one we need I, we need J, we need K. Can I use I only for all of them? Yes, but to make it simple, let me write I, J, K element index for each an array. So as you see the index of I, it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, for same thing here and same thing here. Now as you see, let me say that I want to hold in my right hand the first element. That means I'm holding A of I. Okay, I should be at the beginning equal to 0. For I equal to 0, say that J equal will be 1, then 2, then 3. Why? Because when I'm holding my first element in my left hand, I will compare with the next one, then next one. Sorry, this is the same. Okay, so I will compare with next, then with next. This is how I will compare. So J will be 1, 2, 3. How can I compare? I will say that if A, the current A of I, equal A of J, then we can say that S, the solution S of K, remember that K at the beginning equal to 0, S of K equal A of I. So the last K will be the number of elements in S. By the way, S elements should not be more than number of elements on the original one. So let me declare S of 4 here, S of same number of elements in the same A and AC. So maximum number of elements in the solution, it will be maximum number of elements. And the array, say that they are 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, so we'll get 4 here. Anyway, so this is the maximum. Now how can I write the loop? I will show you how can I write the loop. Let me take this one to the right like this. Okay, and keep it, and let me write the code here. We need first of all to define or declare, say that we need the integer number of elements. So number of elements should be integer n as example. We need the counter value of y and j and k. Okay, n should be entered by user, so I will print message print f this message should be please enter say that number of elements, or say n, then go to next line, as you see here. I want to extend it again. Okay, like this, no problem. I will do something for this one like this. Okay, so please enter number of elements n, then go to next line, semicolon. Now I will scan this number as an integer, so this should be an integer. This integer comma should be given to n. So now I have the value of n. We know n. We can declare the arrays. Say that we have a of size same, which is n, and we need a copy of the a because I want to compare it with itself. So the size is n also, and the solution, say that s, or the result with maximum n also. That's it. Then we have to ask user, using a loop, to ask user to enter the elements element by element. So say that I equal to start from 0. 0 is the first element index. Then I should be less than n, not equal. Take care. Then I plus plus. Now this is the start of the loop. This is the end of the loop. In the loop, I want to print a message. Let me copy the previous print and scan, and just change the text inside. So print please enter element number 1, element number 2, say element number, how can I say 1, 2, 3, 4? So we have to reserve a space for an integer. Then go to next line. From where we get integer, I will say I. If I write I, it will start from 0, but I have to start from 1. So equal to I should be I plus 1 because the first element index is 0. Then scan the integer number and give it to the original array in the element with index I. And at the same time, let me say that a copy of j, not necessary to write j. I can use I. Yes, we can use I, but let me write j. No, never mind. J equal a of I, just to make it clear. And j should be incremented by 1 in this case, j plus plus. So as you see, when I equal to 0, I'm reading a of 0 and ac of j, which is 0 also, and so on. Now this is just to read the element, read the elements in the array A and copy it to AC. Next step, I want to compare. Now we need nested loops for now, as you see here in the example to the right. Okay, so when I equal to 0, j start 1, then 2, then 3, to the end of the last element. So let me start I, which is the outer loop, start from 0. I should be less than n, then I plus plus. Okay, now this is the start of the loop, this is the end of the loop, and inside it we have another loop, the j loop. Say that the j loop, j should be started from I plus 1, from next I. Okay, as you see, when I equal to 0, j will be 1, then 2, then 3. So that here j should be less than n and j plus plus. What I'm doing in the internal loop, I'm comparing. So I will write if the current element, which is a of I, okay, equal next element, which is a of j, like this. Okay, if this is true, what should I do? I will say that, let me show you. I will say that the solution of k, remember that k, it's a counter, current value of the counter, it is 0. The solution of k equal to a of I, the founded element, which is a of I, and for next element k should be incremented. So write k plus a plus. That is to find the duplication here. Now, as you see in this loop, I saved the duplicated elements in an array. I want now to print this array and show the number of elements in the array. So I will print a message as example. Print if this message is like the following. Say that the say number of duplicated elements is say that this number, okay, and say that they are the elements, they are, then go to next line like this. From where I will get the number? From the value of k, the last value of k counter. Okay, now I will print them. How to print them? We need a loop. We need a loop to print them. This loop, we can copy this loop as you wish. Copy this one, Control C, and right semicolon here, Control V. Okay, you can use I, J, counter, it's up to you. Let me use k just to show you, just make it clear. K from 0 to sorry, keep it I better. Keep it I. Why? Because I will tell you now. Because I don't know exactly how many elements in the S of k, but it depends on the last k. So I will write I equal to 0. Start from 0. I should be less than k, the last k value got from this loop, because I don't know exactly how many number of elements. They are k, and here should be semicolon, by the way. As you see here, print. Now we want to print a message. Say that the first element, second element, third element. So I just copied the loop, and now we can say that I want to print the elements. They are integers like this. If you want to print them in one line, keep spaces. Say that 1, 2 spaces, or write minus 4. Print them in 4 spaces and the number to the left. And here it should be the value of the S. And S of what? S of I. I will be 0, then 1, then 2, until reach the last k. Let me run the program and show you the result. I have a mistake here. What this mistake? A of j equal a. It should be equal. No, double equal. Where is the if statement? Print. This is just a copy. Okay, here again I, j, k. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, print. Okay, scan the element, give it to a of I, then write ac of j equal to a of I. It's correct. AC undeclared, that yes, it is should be capital letter. Sorry for that. Run again. Enter number of elements. Say that 8 number of elements here. Element number 1, 2. Number 2 is 2 also. Then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 7. I'm sorry, what happened here? Okay. Enter. Let me run again. Stop and run again. Run again. Enter number of elements. They are 8. Enter number 1. It is 2. Number 2, it is 2. Number 3, it is 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 2. Then 5. Then 5. So as you see, number of duplicated elements is 6. They are 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. As you see here, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. This is the solution, and this is, as you see, the sample of run. Thank you so much. See you in next video.